Welcome to the 23 video on building a social network with Go. This time I came here with a bug fix for tokens. Let's set the token lifespan to something short. Now we try and log in. Let's wait 10 seconds. Sure, it expired. But if we try to log in again, it says that the token expired. This is a bug. The reason is because we are using the Branca codec globally for all tokens, while we should be creating different instances each time. I'll remove it and use this token key every time. Now we need to change how we were using Branca here in the auth file. I'll add a function that creates a new Branca codec each time. That's it. Now we will call this function to get the codec. There. Let's try again. Log in and wait 10 seconds. Yes, the token expires, but now you can simply log in again. Remember to set back the token lifespan to something longer. Bugs are part of the development. With that being said, see you in the next video.